guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Catherine and I have for you today a quick little Grove unboxing. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so I say quick and little because I only needed a couple of things this month, but I think I tried a couple of new things, so I thought I would pop on and show you what they are, zippity zoom quick. In case you don't know, Grove Collaborative is a customizable auto delivery service that delivers natural home and body care products straight to you. You set up how often it comes. You can order anytime you want. You can skip order. You are in complete control, but you do have to go in and manage your cart because when you sign up, if you don't go in and change everything, they will ship to you monthly, but it's easy peasy to change. So let's get in here and see real quickly what it is that I got. I have my lights a little lower while I'm doing this one because I wanted my Christmas lights to show a little more. I'm all decorated for Christmas and I'm getting ready. Almost done Christmas shopping. I don't know when I am putting this up, but I am taping it on the 16th. So I am almost done shopping. Almost. Never really done. Just kind of mostly stop. Admit defeat by time. Time always beats me. I just unpacked my box, and in the realm of always honest with you guys, I will tell you, I did not get one of the items that I ordered. I got something else instead, so I suspect it was a picking issue, but I took it out and I was like, I don't think that's what I ordered. So I just brought up my email and all of my paperwork is correct. It says what I'm supposed to get, but it's not what I received. So let's look at what I did get. I got, as I do, and I've said millions of times, I almost always order the Method Foaming Bathroom Cleaner in Eucalyptus Mint and the Daily Shower in Eucalyptus Mint. I use these all of the time. I use this at least once a day, if not twice a day, after my husband and myself, depending on how closely we shower together. And the Method Foaming I use at least once or twice a week to completely clean my shower. Yes, I'm a little OCD. So I ordered those two, and what I added to it was this Good Chemistry Queen Bee Body Spray with essential oils. People really talked about how great this smells, and it's black currant, peony, and amber is what the scent is meant to be, and it's just a body spray. And I thought, you know, sometimes, like if you go to work and then you go to gym and you come home and you want to go out to dinner or something, you don't necessarily have time for a shower, or, you know, you just need a refresher. I liked the idea. Oh my goodness, that smells, people did not lie. That smells so good. Oh, I'm very happy with that smell. That scent is fantastic. Again, that is what that looks like, and it's just a body spray. Let me tell you how much it was. Oh my gosh, just that little spray, and I've pulled my sleeves back down. It smells so good in here. It is, oh my goodness. What I just learned in looking it up is this was $9.99. And again, I cannot express to you how much I love this scent. It also comes in a perfume that is $24.99 that I just discovered. While I was looking at that, I might have gotten slightly sidetracked by the fact that I can buy that in a perfume. And what should have been only my fourth product, I only ordered 4 products this time. My 2 cleansers, this lovely spray, and I ordered the Terra Beauty Bars Marble Activated Charcoal Facial Bar with Brazilian Yellow Clay. Something about that intrigued me heartily when I saw it. I thought it just looked so cool. You could see all the different layers in the charcoal, and I thought it would be a perfect second cleanse. And I ordered it. I did not receive it. What I received instead is the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask with sea kelp and argan oil for dry, damaged hair. I am sure this huge tub of this is more than my hair can ever begin to bear. I don't think I could put like raw shea butter. I don't think my hair will take this. I will see. They may want me to send that back so that they can send me my marbled soaps. This is the first time I've ever had a problem like this. So I will keep you updated in the comments below how customer service goes. I have never had any problem with them. One time I had one little thing that opened in a box. I had like 12 items. It's just been a couple months ago, and I let them know, and they comped the entire box. They credited me for the entire box. So generally their customer service is amazing, but I will let you know. I will follow through because I know they've been a little busy here at Christmas, so we'll see how quickly they do it, but I'm sure it will not be a problem. So thank you so much for coming by. If you have any interest in Grove, I will put my link below. When you sign up, you get 5 free products. You get generally 3 of the Mrs. Meyer's products, the all-purpose cleaner, the hand soap, and the dish soap, and then generally 2 other products for free. When I signed up, I got the little tray that those 3 sit on, a really pretty pottery tray, and I think some walnut scrub sponges. But those 2 things switch a lot lately. They've been doing like the galvanized bucket. That's so cool. Anyway, I digress. If you have any interest in checking them out, you can see my link below, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye, guys.